Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel and do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to median. We are starting from individual series. As well as we start median, two precautions must be kept in mind. Number one, first of all, arrange the given series. Either the series is given in individual series or discrete series or continuous series. Arrange the given series in ascending order. This is first foremost requirement. Without this we can't operate our sum. Number two, we have to judge either the values are given in even number or odd number. So let us see, either the given values are, here statement is given, either the values of x are in ascending order or in descending order, or the values are even or odd. After observing these two precautions, we will start our numerical. So first of all, here just marks are given, number of students are not given. Number of students are not given because this is individual series and here frequency is not given. So let us prepare first of all a serial number. Let us check how many students are there. 9, 10. If even numbers are there, then the sum will be a little bit tough. I will also do calculate the median with the help of odd numbers. So here 10 serial numbers are there. It means 10 students are there. Total number of students n is equal to 10. And next we have to convert this given series into ascending order. Ascending order means first of all 1. I am writing down 1 here. Again 1. I am writing 1 here. Then 5. 5. After that 7. I am putting 7 here. Then 8. So we have completed one digit values. Then next values 21. Next 22. Next 23. Next 25. And last one is 33. So we have prepared ascending order. So without preparing ascending order, we can't do our sum. And now let us apply the formula. M is equal to, median is equal to size of n plus 1 by second item is equal to size of, how many values are there? 10. 10 plus 1 by second item is equal to size of 11 by second item is equal to size of 5.5th item. So here this is 5th item and this is 6th item. Or 5.5 will be lie in between 5 or 6. This is 5.5 and our answer will be lie in between 8 or 21. So let us find out the answer. So 5.5th item is equal to 5th item plus 6th item divided by 2 is equal to 5th item, which is 8, plus 6th item, which is 21, divided by 2 is equal to 29 divided by 2 is equal to 14.5. So 14.5 will be the value of median. 14.5 is equal to median. So 5.5 fifth item will be 14.5, and this is the value of median. One alternative method. One more method for the calculation of median. 5.5th item is equal to fifth item प्लस 0.5, क्योंकि 5.5 हो गया, और ब्रैकेट में सिक्स्थ आइटम माइनस फिफ्थ आइटम इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज द फिफ्थ आइटम? 8 प्लस 0.5 एंड सिक्स्थ आइटम इज 21 माइनस 8 is equal to 8 plus 5/10 multiplied by 13 is equal to 8 plus 13/2 is equal to 8 plus 8 plus 6.5, which is equivalent to 14.5 will be the answer. So this is alternative. Actually this method is used whenever values are, suppose that 5.5, so we can divide by 2 easily. If we have to calculate 5.7 fifth item, or suppose that you have to calculate 5.2 fifth item. So if the values are not here given by half, if the values are given by 5.1/4, 5.3/4, then we can use this method. Otherwise this method is not required. So this was all about the even values, because the values was given, 10 values were given, 10 number of students were there, and so we have calculated this sum by using even number. Now suppose that odd numbers are given. In odd numbers, the values, suppose that the values of x are, and values are given in ascending order also, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. These are the values of x, and here serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let us put the formula, because series is already in ascending order. You must kept in mind, first of all arrange the series in ascending order. Then m is equal to size of n plus 1 by second item is equal to size of, how many values are there? N is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 by second item is equal to size of 10 by second item is equal to size of fifth item, and the fifth item is 50. So the value of median is 50. Here m is equal to 50. So this is very easy if values are given in odd number. But if values are given in even number, then with the help of this formula, kyunki values will be, we have to calculate the values in points, then we can operate these two formulae. Either formula number 1, this is first formula, and this is second formula. So in this way we can calculate median if our calculations are we have compute the calculations in points, decimal, and then we can apply these two formulae. Otherwise, if we are having odd numbers, then clear cut we can calculate median with the help of given series only. So do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to median. Thank you.